How's it going today, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Ring outdoor siren. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. And now we're going to start this unboxing. Here we go. We're going to open it up, see what we got in. Got the instruction with the ring code, user guides, get this thing off of here. Got the ring siren. Get this plastic off. Alright, got a little security screw right here. Gonna unscrew this. Little spring screw. Oh, must didn't get it all the way undone. There we go. It pops the springs right on out of there, like that. This compartment right here has the batteries in it. Gonna go down and unscrew these screws. All right, we got the screws unscrewed. It pops up like that, push it up. And it comes with the 3 Duracell batteries, size D. Extra slot for your external battery. 2 screws for the hot wire if you want to hardwire it. Also guys, we got the mounting screws right here. Mounting screws. Got the anchors and the 4 washing screws and the 5 anchors. Alright guys, so you have different power options. You can either use the 3 Duracell batteries or you use the quick release battery pack. And also it has the solar panel, which is sold separately, and I'll leave a link up below to tell you. I got a video on a solar panel for you, or you can hardwire it. If you don't have good wiring skills, you should hire an electrician. Or you can buy the hardwire plug-in adapter, the 2nd edition, which is sold separately. This goes about 30 bucks on Amazon. And then you want to try to find out where you want to install it. All right, we went ahead and got that all unboxed and we got it installed now. So we're gonna go outside and we're gonna see how it looks all put together and mounted on the front of the house. All right, guys, here's a picture of it during the day. After I just installed it, what it looks like during the day. All right, guys, this is what it looks like installed outside on the house in the dusk to dawn mode. Got the solar panel on the top of the house but you're gonna need that if you're gonna want the dusk to dawn feature. You need an external power source, either the power hot wire or use the snap-in battery, which the solar panel keeps it charged. All right, guys, that's it for the unboxing. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, help my channel grow, and stay tuned for the next product.